Jennifer Raves Homestead here with yet another review for you. This is the Craftsman 54-inch 24 horsepower V-twin engine riding mower with smart lawn technology. Since we live on a 5-acre property, we definitely needed something with more power and a wide and cutting deck. It comes with a hitch hole that really comes in handy for a pull wagon as shown in the video. Some suggestions to take note of is getting a trickle charger for the battery, and we switched out the light bulbs to LEDs, and we started using non-ethanol fuel, and we cleaned the air filter before each use. Also, be sure to keep the cutting deck clean as it tends to stall or run hard until it's clean out, but it does come with the deck wash system that connects your hose to clean out the debris underneath. Lastly, the seat has a safety feature where when you get off, it automatically turns off the mower, and it's not really necessary and more trouble than it's worth as it drains the battery since you have to start it up each time, hence the trickle charger for the battery that I mentioned earlier. Nevertheless, I wanted to give you guys an honest review as usual, and hopefully it has helped some of you when deciding on a future riding lawnmower purchase. Our property is as beautiful as ever, and I hope you guys subscribe and turn on notifications button for more videos in the future.